Hey class, this is Stephen Urbanian, and for this week's lesson we're doing a demonstration on our wiki pages, and I've decided to use the Web 2.0 tool of PowToon. I've used the tool in the past and I find it very easy to use to create animated videos that you could share with your students or even your classmates. So here's the kind of home screen for PowToon, and I've already created my account. And once you have created your account, it's really simple and easy to use. There are some upgrades if you want to purchase from Powtoon additional kind of props or kind of characters for your animated videos, but for this purposes I'm just using the free version, which is available to anyone who wants to sign up. Once you created your Powtoon account, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you're able to create. And once you click on create, they give you several different kind of templates to choose from. Blank projects, just simple and easy, promotional videos, slideshows, social clip, infographic video, and of course for our purposes we're going to pick the educational clip. And you have a variety of things, a variety of presentations that you can pick from. I'm simply going to click next, and you can name your Powtoon. For this purposes I'm going to call it wiki demo, and we'll create it and it will load into the animation kind of dashboard or template place where you can start creating your videos and adding things to your video. So here's where you can create all your animations, and we'll just take a tour around of some of the tools that you'll be able to use. You can include sound, you can pick an image off of kind of your drive or memory on your computer. You can add text, again any type of fonts. The great thing about PowToon is, of course, is you can export it, and you can link your PowToon to your YouTube account, and it uploads the videos straight to your YouTube account. You have text effects, and there's various ways. Mostly, like, you can type out, and there's a variety of things they can do with font. You have a variety of image holders, characters, animation props, markers, and a variety of things, but it does take some time to get used to, and the best kind of tool or idea or advice I can give you guys is just to try out a variety of things and see what you like best and whatever is easiest for you. So next I'm going to show you guys how to kind of add things and drag and drop things into the video animation tool and see what we can create. Like I said, with PowToon, it's just you can easily drag and drop items into your animation or slides, and then you can simply put in your words, and you come to this screen, and you can pretty much type anything, and just make sure that your grammar's all correct, and you can preview it, kind of what it will look like, and they have a variety of kind of text kind of presentations or animations that you could do. So once you do this, you want to be careful if you're including a bunch of text that you expand your time frame for the frame before it goes to the next transition, because it'll cut out just doing with the time frame. So it could be writing a bunch of material, and simply it's just going with the time frame and goes on to the next transition. So if you do add a lot of text, make sure you add additional time before it can go and switch to another slide or transition. Okay, so when you're doing your animation, it's easy to preview. You just add images to your slides, and easily just preview it before you kind of do a final kind of export, and it goes over kind of the transitions easily, and since we had a short text, it wasn't that long, and then it goes on to the next kind of scene. And here I've kind of dragged and dropped a animated figure that's pre-made animation that can easily talk over text, and you can also add sound like background music. It's a great way, and you just want to make sure when you're doing your project to save it, because sometimes it does cut out. There's been numerous kind of ideas for PowToon, including, of course, presentation tools rather than the old kind of PowerPoint for students. It really helps them kind of think ahead and create, and also it doesn't have, students have to go up and present their project. They've created a video, an animated video, in which it just, press play and it goes and can present a concept. And it's not just for students. Teachers can use it as well if they're presenting a new kind of, again, content or skills, including math, any type of science. History is obviously something in my repertoire, so I use it sometimes trying to present kind of historical content. So there's a variety of tools that you guys can use. PowToon's fairly simple to use, but again, it's something that you should just go out and try. They have a variety of things that you could do with the animation, but it's really quite simple and easy to use. And you can always export it to YouTube, so it's not too difficult. Kind of getting it out there and students where they can go and find it, especially if it's a lecture or something that you want to include. And if you do want to export to YouTube, simply just click the export button here and this will pop up, and you can choose kind of a variety of things. But of course it's using PowToon, so there's going to be a kind of some advertisement for PowToon towards the end. Just simply their logo. But again, it's just real simple and easy. Just export it, and it links with your YouTube account, and it's up there for your students to see, and maybe some colleagues and classmates to watch some of your videos that you've created.